Hello, students. Welcome to the next lesson of entrepreneurship. Today, we will be starting with another chapter, that is, Chapter 2 Entrepreneurial Planning. So, the first part of this chapter is Forms of Business Entities. First of all, let us come to the concept of business and human activities. All human beings, wherever they are required to perform some or the other activity to satisfy their needs. Some of these needs are undertaken to earn money, but others are performed to derive personal satisfaction. So, human activities can be classified into two categories. Number one, economic activities, and number two, non economic activities. Let us first understand what are economic activities. So, activities which are undertaken by people with the objective of earning money are known as economic activities. The purpose of doing an economic activity should be an expectation of money income. Examples of economic activities are production of goods in a factory with the motive of sales, working in a factory, practicing as a doctor, lawyer, working as a teacher in a school, etc. Now, let us understand what are non economic activities. The activities which are undertaken by an individual with a motive of getting psychological satisfaction are known as non economic activities. The end result of non economic activities is not earning profit or creation of money, but it gives satisfaction. For example, doing social services, cooking at home, doing household works. For all these activities, we do not expect money. So these are categorized under non economic activities. Now, there are three categories of economic activities. All the three categories of economic activities are done with just one motive, and that is earning money. So, the first category is business. Business refers to those economic activities which are connected with the production, purchase, sale, or distribution of goods and services with the main objective of earning profit. Number two, profession. Profession refers to the activities which require special knowledge and skill to be applied by an individual in his work. The people who are engaged in professions are known as professionals. For example, a doctor, lawyer, a teacher, etc. And the third one is employment. Employment refers to an activity in which an individual works regularly for another person and gets paid in return. Those who are employed by others are known as employees. The person who engage others to work regularly for them are known as employers. The payment or the remuneration paid by the employer to the employee is known as salary or wage. Examples of employment are working in offices, banks, insurance companies, shops, working as a manager, peon, etc. All these comes under employment.